In this video, we are going to compute an integral of a fractional rational function, and we are going to use logs to do that. But first, we have to use substitution. So I've got 7 divided by x plus 3 dx. Now, one thing that you may be tempted to do is just to say immediately that that's going to be natural log of x plus 3. And you might be correct here, but the problem is that you're supposed to show it because 1 over x becomes log of x. Yes, you know, but how do you know that if you add plus 3, you will still get the same thing? The reason why you will actually get this right is because if you use the substitution u equals x plus 3, du will be the same as dx, right? Because derivative of x has a slope of 1 and 3 goes away to 0. And that means that the integral of 7 divided by x plus 3 dx will just become 7 divided by u, and dx is du. So in this case, it's just going to be du. Now the 7 here we can pull out, and 1 over u becomes natural log of u. You do have to worry about absolute value. However, in this case, we will see that when we substitute our values, which we're going to do in a second, we don't get any negatives. And we don't have to worry about putting the absolute value. Now, going back to what u was, which was x plus 3, we've got 7 natural log of x plus 3 plus c. Okay, now we're just going to substitute the limits, subtract the answers, and then we are done. The limits are going to be negative 2 and positive 4. Let's first substitute 4. We get 7 natural log of 7, right? Because 4 plus 3 is 7. Minus 7 natural log of, well, negative 2 plus 3, that's 1. Okay, the only thing that we need to do next is to remember that natural log of 1 is 0. Never leave that as part of your answer. You can always check on a calculator that natural log of 1 is 0. If we've got 7, natural log of 7 is our answer. All right, let's go ahead and see if we can fill all of this out. This is going to be 1. This is just going to be 7 over u. And then this is 7 natural log of u. And then here we've got 7 natural log of x plus 3. Finally, when we substitute, we got 7 natural log of 7. We got 0. The final answer is 7 natural log of 7. And we're